Sisi tumesema minimum 35%. It can say, if I'm there, I can make it 40. I can make it 45. I can make it even 55, the way they've done in Nigeria. And a lot of work will be done down there. You don't need to come and beg for roads in Meru, in Embu, that can be done by government there, down there. If it can be done, so that the national government remains with money up here to pay the foreign debts, you see, deal with things like referral hospitals, the armed forces, and so on, security generally.
Even the doubting Thomases now see that BBI, by and large, is an acceptable document. The first constitutional amendment to Constitution 2010. Therefore, I want to urge the MCAs now to continue taking leadership at their ward level. In fact, all the 1,500 plus MCAs countrywide should take a leadership. And I think if I were them, it will even give them competitive advantage. Because if you go to your ward and you're telling your electorate that I've now brought you 5% of Mgao wa Pesa, Ward Development Fund, even the people will see.